Our son told us that if you inhale helium, you'll sound like a duck. So we don't believe him. Let's try it.
Yep.
Hello, what's going on, guys?
Hey guys, hey,
Hi.
hey, are you guys ready for Christmas? Hey, I hope you got all your gifts, because it's gonna be a nice Christmas. Let's try this one more time.
Hello. Hi, guys.
Hey
What's going on?
guys, hey, who do I sound like? Do I sound like Daffy Duck, or do I sound like Donald Duck? Which one? I don't know. Ooh, I'm getting a little bit dizzy. I wish I would have stopped. Oh shit. Oh god, here we go.
I think it works.
Yes, it did. Oh boy.
Hello. Hi.
Getting my voice back. I feel dizzy now. Okay.
Alright, see ya. Hope you guys
I think
try
my
it.
helium ran out.
Bye.